People say, I understand you. But the truth is, they don't. To understand it, you have to experience it yourself. I'm still a father. I still am. Even though my children are no longer in my life. That's the sentence that no one really understands. You are still a father, but you can't call, you can't hug, you don't even know if they are okay. Missing is not something that comes and goes. It's there in the morning when you wake up. It's there at the night when everything is quiet. Hopelessness is a strange word, because I haven't given up hope. But there are days when hope feels like something very, very far away. And those are the days that no one sees. The world sees as man smiling, working, moving forward. But inside, there's a hole that nothing can fill. I'm making this video because I know there are others out there. Other fathers, other mothers going through the same thing in silence. And I just want to say, you are not alone. This is not weakness. This is love that's not going anywhere. I don't know what the future holds, but I'm still here. I'm not giving up.